Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to destination for all things beauty, skincare, and self-care. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting. We're about to explore the world of microcurrent facial devices, tools that are revolutionizing the way we approach skincare and anti-aging. If you've ever wondered how to lift, firm, and tone your skin without stepping foot in a salon, you're in the right place. Now, I know you're here for one thing: the top 5 best microcurrent facial devices. This is the ultimate countdown of the devices that are truly making waves in the beauty world. And let me tell you, these gadgets pack a punch when it comes to lifting, sculpting, and transforming your skin. So get ready. We're going to break down these top contenders, and trust me, you'll want to see which one claims the #1 spot. Whether you're looking for something portable, powerful, or simply effective, today's countdown is going to inspire you to take your skincare routine to the next level. Let's get into it. In our countdown of the top 5 best microcurrent facial devices, number 5 is the ZIIP Halo Facial Toning Device. What if you could reveal more youthful, glowing skin with just a few minutes of use each day? The ZIIP Halo is a powerful tool that combines microcurrent and nanocurrent technology to give your skin the rejuvenation it deserves. This device isn't just another beauty tool. It's the world's only home-use clinic-grade nanocurrent device designed for both immediate and long-term skin improvements. The unique dual waveform technology delivers an effective combination of microcurrent and nanocurrent therapy, stimulating collagen production and promoting elastin growth to strengthen and sculpt your facial muscles. Imagine seeing noticeable results in just 4 minutes with the Lift Electrical Beauty Facial. No app is required, and it's designed for easy, at-home use, helping you look younger, fresher, and more radiant with minimal effort. Using the ZIIP Halo just 3 to 5 times per week can make a huge difference in the appearance of your skin. With the ability to contour, lift, and sculpt your face, this device is perfect for those looking for a simple yet effective anti-aging solution. Whether you're aiming to target fine lines or just want a firmer, more glowing complexion, the ZIIP Halo has got you covered. If this sounds like the perfect addition to your skincare routine, don't wait. Your journey to youthful, glowing skin is just a few steps away with the ZIIP Halo. Want more beauty tips and product recommendations? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more insights. Coming in at number 4 on our top 5 best microcurrent facial devices list is the Solawave 4-in-1 Radiant Renewal Facial Wand. What if you could reduce wrinkles, tighten your skin, and rejuvenate your complexion all in one device? With the Solawave wand, you can do just that and more. This compact rose gold device combines 4 powerful technologies: red light therapy, microcurrent, facial massage, and galvanic therapy into a sleek, easy-to-use tool. It's designed to target the signs of aging, lifting and firming the skin while visibly reducing fine lines and wrinkles. The red light therapy works to stimulate collagen production, giving your skin a radiant, youthful glow, while the galvanic current helps to improve skin tone and texture by enhancing the absorption of your skincare products. Not only is the Solawave wand effective, but it's also incredibly convenient for at-home use. Whether you're targeting your face or neck, this device provides a relaxing facial massage experience, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated after just a few minutes of use. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one solution to aging skin, the Solawave wand is a must-have. It's perfect for those who want to combat the effects of time without spending a fortune on professional treatments. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Your skin will thank you. Want more beauty tips and product reviews? Hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop, and let's keep glowing together. Ranked number 3 in our top 5 best microcurrent facial devices list is the TheraFace Pro Microcurrent Facial Device. What if you could unlock healthier glowing skin in just 12 weeks? With the TheraFace Pro, that's exactly what you can achieve. This powerful 8-in-1 facial device combines microcurrent therapy, light therapy, and a variety of other skin treatments into one compact, easy-to-use tool. Whether you're looking to lift, firm, reduce fine lines, or improve skin texture, this device has you covered. Its clinically proven results promise smoother, younger-looking skin in just 12 weeks, without the need for expensive spa treatments. But what makes TheraFace Pro truly stand out is its versatility. With magnetic treatment rings, you can easily switch between different treatments, adapting to your skin's needs each day. Whether it's tackling deepening wrinkles, soothing jaw tension, or calming a breakout, this device can personalize your skincare routine with ease. And with the TheraBody app guiding you through expert-led tutorials, you'll have the tools to perfect your routine. Say goodbye to the guesswork of skincare. TheraFace Pro is designed to offer customizable solutions to target your unique skin concerns, all while saving you time and counter space. Looking for the perfect gift? Whether it's for Mother's Day, a birthday, or just because, the TheraFace Pro Facial Massage Kit is the ultimate thoughtful gift for anyone looking to love their skin even more. Ready to see the difference? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more skin-saving tips. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best microcurrent facial devices? Well, don't let your skin miss out. Hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you stay in the glow. Coming in at number 2 in our top 5 best microcurrent facial devices is the FOREO Bare 2 Advanced Lifting and Toning Microcurrent Facial Device. If you're looking for a non-invasive at-home solution to firm, lift, and contour your face, this device could be your answer. Imagine the power of an instant facelift without the need for needles or surgery. With the Bare 2, you can sculpt your face, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and enjoy firmer skin, all in the comfort of your own home. Using advanced microcurrent technology, this device targets deep layers of your skin, stimulating your muscles and encouraging the production of collagen. The result? A visible lift that's both instant and long-lasting. But that's not all. The Bare 2 isn't just about lifting. It's designed to boost your skincare routine as well. It increases your skin's absorption of creams and serums, ensuring that your skincare products work harder and give you better results. Think of it as the perfect partner for your anti-aging skincare regimen. With its sleek lavender design, it's not only effective but also stylish and easy to use. Whether you're using it daily or just a few times a week, the device fits seamlessly into your routine, giving you a professional-level facial treatment in minutes. Want to see a difference? With consistent use, you'll notice smoother, more radiant skin, and a more contoured appearance. Ready to experience the magic of microcurrent therapy for yourself? Subscribe to get more tips and tricks to keep your skin glowing. At number 1 in our top 5 best microcurrent facial devices countdown is the NuFACE TRINITY Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit, the ultimate solution for achieving a sculpted, lifted, and youthful appearance without the need for invasive treatments. This FDA-cleared device is clinically proven to provide both instant and long-lasting results, making it a must-have in your skincare routine. What if you could contour your cheeks, lift your brows, and tighten your neck in just 5 minutes a day? The NuFACE TRINITY Plus uses gentle microcurrent technology to deliver low-level electrical currents that target your facial muscles, giving you a salon-quality treatment from the comfort of your home. It's like a personal trainer for your face, toning and tightening your skin every time you use it. Imagine being able to reduce sagging skin, smooth out fine lines, and see noticeable improvements in your jawline, all with a simple, portable device. And it's not just for your face, it's perfect for your neck too. In fact, 95% of users reported seeing an improvement in the appearance of sagging skin around the neck, while 90% noticed a more lifted jawline. Plus, 93% of users experienced a reduction in deep forehead lines, making it clear that the NuFACE TRINITY Plus delivers visible results you can trust. The NuFACE TRINITY Plus is sleek, portable, and easy to use. With quick 5-minute sessions throughout the week, you can lift, tone, and firm your skin on the go. And it comes with everything you need for the ultimate experience: the microcurrent activators, the hydrating aqua gel that locks in moisture for 24 hours, and the firming silk creme that adds anti-aging benefits to your routine. Looking for even more guidance? The NuFACE Smart app gives you professional-level skincare results with step-by-step tutorials and a selfie tracker to monitor your progress. It's the perfect companion to help you get the most out of your treatments. If you're ready to transform your skin with cutting-edge technology, the NuFACE Trinity Plus is your solution. Get ready to see the difference. And if you enjoyed this insight into the world of microcurrent facial devices, don't forget to subscribe for more tips to elevate your skincare game. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top 5 best microcurrent facial devices. To keep up with all the best sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.